to my channel. Hope everybody are doing great today. For today's episode, we're going to do a DIY project. So I have lots of slices of wood, like this kind. I have about 10, but I'm doing only 3. So we're going to transfer some pictures on this wood. So this is how it's gonna be. So that's what I did. I sealed it already, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is an easy project, but you need to wait for 24 hours to get it dry, and then you have to scratch it and seal it. Let's get started. So I have a couple of wood slices here. So I've been sitting for quite some time. So I was just thinking what I'm gonna do. So we're going to transfer the pictures to this wood. You can see the wood. Yeah, it's already dried. I have this since fall, but I have another chance to do some projects. So this is a quick and easy project, but it takes time to wait because we have to transfer some pictures into the wood. Now, I print out some pictures at my computer. This is inkjet printer, so you can see. So what I'm gonna do, I already started tracing what wood I'm gonna use on that. So I will then cut the pictures, and we'll okay, I cut that already. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna put this picture. I think this is a picture that was taken a long time ago. I love this picture because of the background. It's the bridge and the canals there. This is heading to the marina. But I think when we did some biking before. So we're gonna put it to this wood. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put some Mod Podge. Okay. Oh, my Mod Podge is still. Hope you can see it. Glue it. Very careful that you get everything properly. But if there is a bubble, you will need like an old credit card to straighten it, so there will be no bubble on your picture. So just like that. Okay, so we'll do the rest of the picture to the other wood. So as you can see, smooth. You can see how smooth it is. Okay, there's something in there. It's not smooth. Okay, so just be very careful. It's a very easy project. And these are the slices of wood given to me by Ted friends Billy. And Billy, thank you so much for this wood. I don't know where you get it, but I love it. So I can use something on it. But actually, he gave it to me as a coaster, so I was just thinking to do some project on it. So this is what I plan to do. So I finished one. As you can see, there's no bubbles on that. So we will leave this for 24 hours to dry, and afterwards we'll peel it up and wrap it, and I'll show you how it's gonna come out. Alright guys, we'll do the same with the rest of the other pictures. Alright, I have here the next picture. So this is the wood that I'm gonna use on this picture. This picture was taken in Backpack Island when we're sailing. And I love this picture because it's together with Coco. It was a beautiful summer day when we were there. And the water is so warm. It's just like you're in the Bahamas. Backpack is a beautiful island in Georgian Bay. Very beautiful. It's only accessible by boat, so lucky are those who can go there and see the beauty of Backpack. It's really very pretty. One of the best secret anchorage in Georgian Bay. Now it's no longer secret because I told you guys. So it's no longer secret. Sorry. Sorry, boaters. Okay, when you start rubbing the picture, you have to be very gentle. And once you wet it, just rub it gently. Alright. So it's time to seal it. Finished rubbing it already. Okay. And this is the other pictures. Look like a vintage though. And Coco's picture didn't come out really nice. But I can redo some other pictures of her. But I like this kind of setup. I like this kind of decoration. It's so rustic and like a vintage too. Okay. So I just finished sealing it, as you can see. So I'm trying to get it dry. And yeah, it's almost finished. I told it finished. I'm so happy with the output. Look very rustic. Okay. Kinda like it. I like it so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you can do this project. Alright. Bye for now. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care, everyone.